Hello student, how are you? So this is your Sergeant and you can see here Supercomputer Part 1 book here. So today we are going to start our chapter 3. It is how a computer work. Okay, so we will discuss about this chapter today. So dear student, you all may have seen a computer and we can see there few parts. Yes, that's I already told you in the previous class that a computer has few parts like CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, these all. Yes. So in this all part, the main part is what? That is CPU, and this CPU work as a main like a brain of a computer. Okay, so it control the all activity of a computer, or it process the everything, every purpose or activity of a computer. So whenever we need any data or we have to save any data or any related work there, so what we usually do, we save it in a computer, or we, that CPU that CPU used to keep this data, and later what happened, we can use the same data in this in other day also. So that's why this CPU is the main part, and it store data and it process the cycle of a computer to input to output. So in a computer, what we do usually, we use few input device like keyboard, mouse to give interaction to a computer. Okay, so at that time the CPU process this information and it give us the output. So where we get the output, we get this output in a monitor. So this chapter is about for that. So you can see here one picture. So to prepare a mango juice, so what we have to do, first we have to bring here banana is there, so banana from market, and then what we have to do, we have to mix this banana, or we have to grind this banana in a mixture grinder, that, and later what we will get this juice. Yes, so this process is the bananas are what? Input, and this processing is called what we have grinded in this machine in mixture grinder, that is process, and later what we get this juice. So this is what? Output. Okay, so this is the main process of a computer. That means what? Input, process, output. Okay, so now you can see here input, process, output cycle. So this is the main system of a computer to work. So what happened, we send input through this keyboard or mouse. Okay, so these are the input device, and we send input or data through this input device. And what happened then? Process. Who process the data or the input? The CPU box. It process the input or this data, and later what we get the result, that means the output in a monitor or in a printer. So this is called what? Output. So this is the process. This one is input, the input, again this one process, I have written here P, you can see here, and this is output O. So IPO, that is what we usually call like a IPO cycle, input, process, and output. So this is the main system of a computer. Okay, so the computer work in this way. So for example, we can take this calculator. So in a calculator, if we have to add two numbers, so you can see here 14 plus 10, we have to add 14 plus 10. So what we have to do, we have to first click this 14, 14. We have to type 14. Then again what we do, after pressing 14, we click this plus button. Yes, this plus button. Then again what we have to press 10, that means 10. And whenever we click this equal button, the result will show in a calculator. See here, you can see the result, what is 24. So that means the input is what? 14 and 10, the both the number are what? Input, and the plus whenever we and what we have done, we have added it. Yes, we have pressed here what? Plus button. We have pressed plus button, that means these are input. Now whenever we click this equal button in a calculator, what happen? The calculator start the processing. Okay, in what we will get? We will get this result, that means the output in this display or this screen. So that is what? Output. So this is the one example of a IPO cycle. So the computer also work in this way. So students, so you once go through your book. So in next class I will discuss it in a computer how it works. So mainly this system is what? It is called the input process output cycle, that means IPO cycle. In short, what we call it? IPO cycle. This is the main system of a computer to perform a work. Okay, so dear student, so you read it through your book, and in the previous class we will discuss about it in a next class. So we will discuss, and then till then take care and have a good day to all. Thank you.